Itinalaga bilang consultant at tourism officer sa Maynila ang kilalang tour guide na si Carlos Celdran. Kung inyo pong matatandaan, naging kontrobersyal si Celdran noon nang magprotesta sa loob ng Manila Cathedral. Nakatutok si Ruth Cabal.
Paris of Asia raw ang bansag noon sa Maynila at yan ang nais maibalik ng bagong administrasyon ni Mayor Joseph Estrada. Pero dahil sa basura, traffic at mataas na insidente ng krimen sa Maynila, naitaboy di lang ang mga negosyante kundi pati mga turista sa lungsod, ayon kay Mayor Erap. Kaya kasama raw sa mga gusto niyang tutukan ang muling pagpapasigla ng turismo sa lungsod. At ang nakita niyang katuwang ang tourist guide na si Carlos Celdran.
Well, he'll be a consultant at the same time tourism officer. He's very good, he's very intelligent, and he knows the in and outs of tourism.
Nakilala noon si Celdran nang ipakita ang suporta para sa reproductive health bill sa loob ng Manila Cathedral. Pero nakilala rin siya sa kanyang mga tour sa Maynila na may kakaibang timpla na tila malateatro.
And then as we all know, on October 22, 1944, General Douglas MacArthur finally returns to the Philippine Islands. Who said I'll be back? I heard you, punyeta. That's from Terminator.
You get a different perspective of Manila talaga. And it's very refreshing. And his theatrical way of narrating the story is so amazing.
I'm learning a lot, yeah, for sure, yeah. Well, just the history, so like where the different colonizations and what the impact was on the...
Handa naman daw si Celdran na magsilbi at makatulong para maibalik ang dating sigla ng Maynila.
There are people who say that Manila was the Paris of Asia, but it was much more than that. It was a Paris, then New York, it had a little touches of Belgium, and touches of Spain. Our focus, a lot, I'm making it more sensible. I mean, this may sound very simple, but directional signs, information.
Nasa halos 235 million pesos lang daw ang naiwang pondo sa City Hall at aabot mahigit 3 bilyong piso ang utang nito.
The biggest challenge of my public service is the public service. I never had this kind of problem. This is the first time. Kaya, nilito ang inyong buong katapatan na paglilingkod sa ating bayan at inyong pagkakaisa.
Ruth Cabal, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.